guys, welcome back to Supermom TV and welcome back to another episode of Q&A Friday. So today I have some questions from my friend asking about this dropshipping trending products. So my friend was curious and asking me whether those trending products in the past, whether are they still sellable right now. So I'm going to find out one of the trending products last year and I try to see whether it is still selling very well right now. So let us go to ebay.com and do a quick product research on this item. So once you're on eBay, the product is called the Perfect Pen Maker. I will go to the left hand side of the menu here and I will select US and then the condition as new. And I'll check whether this product is still selling very well. So I will take these sold items. So here you go. We have this 3 filter here. And yes, so these are all the results, and most of it is the Pancake Maker, but not all of it is the trending one. The trending one, it looks something like this one. And yeah, so this is sold on just yesterday, which is February 27, and another one here. These are not the same ones, and this is another one February 14, and here January, December. And you scroll further down, you can see, because they name this item differently, but it is actually the same thing. And you can see February 27, there are more things that are more of this Pancake Maker sold. So 27 alone got already like 5 items sold, 5 quantities sold. Yep, and yeah, and then 25th, 26th February. So let us see further down. Yeah, this is February 21. Yep. So basically almost every day this product is selling. So if you want to put this item on your eBay store, I believe this is still very sellable, and this product have very high reviews as well. So as I see here, this product is receiving very good ratings also. So it is a quality product and it is yeah, it's recommended to sell this item. So why not? It's sellable and it's a good quality product. So yeah, stores easily. Pancake made life easier. Yep, so in conclusion, even though this product is no longer trending, you can still sell this item because it's pretty sellable right now. So it is not it is still a sellable item and it's recommended to put on your store. So that's all for this week's Q&A Friday. If you have any more questions for me, please don't hesitate to leave them down in the comment section below. I will make sure to answer them in my weekly Q&A Friday. So have a great weekend. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.